Så er vi tilbage med vores tredje video i dag. Det er måske lidt overdrevet, men her er Peter. Klar på...
Let's do this.
Son of a bitch. Nå. Let's do this. Og vi er nået lidt længere i Heavy Rain, og...
Stupid cunt. Damn it.
Vi skal tage med nogle livvagter. Eller, hvor det går.
Detective.
Og vi optager iPad.
Damn it.
Det er bodyguard.
I have to be aggressive this time, or else he won't move.
Lyden bliver god.
Nice one.
You're real smart, fella. Bet you won't be so funny with my foot up your ass.
Ja, Peter.
Bitch.
If I want to see Gordy Kramer, I'm gonna have to go about it some other way.
Damn it. I would have bribed him. Where to now? What was that? Looting? Damn it, I can't. Son of a bitch. Jesus Christ. Oh, there we go.
Excuse me. I'm looking for Gordy.
I saw him going upstairs a while ago.
Booby!
I'd be surprised if he wasn't going this evening.
Der er ingen boobies kommer efter der. De var ikke så store.
Damn it. Look how drunk he is. Look at him go. Look. Jesus. How did he get so drunk? Seriously.
Oh my god, jeg følte mig også helt der. Jeg skulle lige ordne noget med.
Now, what do I have to find? Kenneth, help me out. You bastard.
Prøv at se, hvad han tænker. Vagter.
Smash skulls. That sounds a bit violent.
Fuck, jeg holder den altså ikke i ro. Jeg skal lige holde den lidt mere i ro.
Then I have to think of another way to get rid of it.
Diversion.
To find a way.
Der kommer en, der hedder Patrick. På.
Long enough for me to be able to slip past.
Smash some skulls.
Vi smadrer et par kaniner.
But not
Resten.
such a good
Det
idea.
er en god idé.
Too many clean-shaved reinforcements around here.
Damn it.
Fest.
Gordy.
Okay, gotta find Gordy Kramer.
Where the fuck is that guy?
Har du brug for hjælp?
Yep,
Tal.
Whoa.
Var det ikke ham der?
That over there?
you again.
Nå ja, du får bare ham til det. Kan du ikke se det?
What he say?
Bastard.
Sort him out.
Nice one.
You
You missed, you bastard.
Were you talking about my brother, you great monkey?
Gå derover, Peter.
You think, oh,
You think he's awesome, but he's really not.
no.
He's just drunk.
Ooh, monkey. I know you, yeah.
He's gonna get it now.
What are you saying about my brother?
Okay, hjælp dig nu, Peter. Du kan bevæge dig.
Oh, you get wild with me.
You bastard, mand.
Son of a bitch. I can't move.
Jo, du kan.
I'm stuck. Damn it.
Skynd dig derover. Er det ikke bodyguarden, der går ved siden af? Bodyguarden kommer.
Oh
Gå.
my god, I can make it. Son of a bitch. I didn't make it.
Hvor er du langsom, mand. Hold kæft, du er sådan
I was
der.
seriously, I was fucking stuck.
Idiot, mand.
Let's try again, shall we?
Gør, ej, det er da løgn. Du gør det ikke med den samme person igen.
Now that guy's talking down about your mother.
That ain't sweet, babe.
What?
Jesus, he's really pissed this time. You gotta get it? Son of a
Så du det lige igen. Så du den, hvor han gik på den ene vej, så den anden vej.
You can't hit shit.
Nu skal du nå det.
No.
I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. You bastards. Stupid assholes. Bye-bye. You bastards.
Kan vi vide, om videoen bliver bedre på iPad? Det er spændende at se.
Look at that comic book scene. What the fuck?
Jeg kan sgu da sætte den her.
No shit. Where to now?
Okay, det kan jeg ikke.
Can I jump out the window? No, just look. Really cool.
Just look.
Alright.
Skal jeg lige...
It's always raining in this goddamn shithole of a game. I hate it. Stupid plan. Remove. God damn it, can't you
Hvad laver du? Hvad fanden laver du udenfor, du skulle finde ham, din idiot?
Yeah, you never know where he is. I thought he was hiding behind that plane for sure. Damn it!
Prøv at lede alle rum, din klump.
Ooh, maybe he's in here. Son of a bitch, it's locked! And there's not enough rooms left. Damn it! I have to go. Son of a bitch, he's stuck again!
Du kan...
Fat fuck! What the fuck?
Hvad? Peter, men der kom du derover. Nå, det...
Jesus!
You fat fuck.
I think I found him here.
Hvad se, hvad der sker? Hvad er det for noget, han ser?
What is that? They're dancing. Oh my god. Is that an angry chicken? I think it is. What the fuck is that guy?
Okay, bare gå videre. Eller du står selv. Du står.
Mr. Kramer,
John Kramer. From Saw.
my
Introducing.
name is Scott Sheldon. I'm a private detective. I'm investigating the case.
Han kan godt lide at se tegnefilm om der.
I'd like to ask you a few questions.
You son of a bitch.
Hvad sker der med den der kø?
You didn't listen to what I said.
Jeg forstår godt, han synes det er sjovt. Det ser fucking fucked ud. Ej.
What is that guy? Jesus Christ.
Oh my god.
I'd like to know exactly what happened to little Joseph Brown.
Spit it out.
You hear me? Get the hell out of here!
Prøv hvad med den der kom på. En der hedder James S.A.S.G. Hvad ved du?
Jeg vil være faktuel den her gang.
A witness saw little Joseph
Good
Brown
eat.
get
Yeah.
in the back of your limousine. That was the last time anybody ever saw him.
Jeg synes faktisk, den står dårligere på iPad, end den gjorde på iPhone.
So your
Også.
father made a little phone call and the file was closed. I'd like to hear.
Hvad er det for nogle tænder?
Jesus.
The kid was lost. I just offered
Ej.
to drive him home.
Bullshit.
Police arrived, I explained the misunderstanding, and I was released. End of story.
Yeah, right.
Nothing to get excited about, right?
Skal du aktivt?
I'm gonna be aggressive, you bastards.
Du bliver
You
sur?
don't think I'm gonna fall for that
Whoa.
shit, do you, Kramer? I know it's not the first time you tried to lure a kid into your car.
Du bliver
I
sur.
also know you were
Og vi er en helt anden person, der har faktisk glemt at sige. Nu handler det om mor og det hele, vi skal opklare noget. Hvis I så starten, så er den der dejlige familie, den ene knæk døde, og den anden er blevet kidnappet af en eller anden. Og vi skal finde ud af, hvem det er. Ham der, den fede, der sidder lige der. Han skal finde ud af det.
Very well. I'm the origami killer.
Holy shit!
Han er
Didn't see
moren.
that coming.
Into my car.
Nej.
I drowned them in rainwater.
Nu er den slut!
Dumped them on a wasteland with
Nå.
an origami figure in one hand.
You son of a bitch.
Han er morderen.
That because
You took the main protagonist's son. You bastard.
it's a creative and entertaining
Ej,
way
kylling bag, jeg kan ikke lade være.
of fun.
Jesus, I can't take this seriously.
Is that easy for you?
That fucking retarded chicken in the
Han vil godt høre
background
med, han vil godt høre med.
drives me crazy.
This interview is over.
Fuck.
Get rid of this clown.
Uh-oh, not good.
Uh-oh.
You son of a bitch, get up.
Oh.
That hurt. Damn it.
Du er død.
Come on, do a comeback. Damn it, do a comeback. Yeah, give him one.
Oh.
Son of a bitch, right in the face. Take that, you bastard. Yeah. Oh yeah, right in the stomach, you fucking
Det er sådan mærke til det samme bag, han sidder og ser videre. Idiot.
Jesus, idiot. Son of a bitch, right in... Damn it, I can't... Oh yeah, I'll take your foot, you bastard. Die. Right in the fucking glass table, baby. Take that, and that, and that. Son of a bitch. I missed. Die. I'm gonna take you down.
It's a dangerous game you're playing, Kramer.
Do you know who my father is? He only has to lift one finger and you won't wake up tomorrow morning.
Is it John Kramer?
You're the one that should be
From
afraid
Shaw?
of, shall we? Me.
That would be a twist.
Oh my god, når jeg griner, så er der sådan noget. Når jeg er færdig sådan. Du har tændt noget. Ja. Sådan en fed der har der også slået hele lortet ihjel.
What the fuck is it with that chicken?
Jeg sidder bare og griner videre.
Jesus. Hvem kommer først?
Slut.
Damn it.
Så der passer meget godt med, at vi slutter videoen her så.
Bye bye everyone. Thanks for listening. You bastard.